In today's video, we would be discussing about the Indian Navy and the recently inducted the Marich Advanced Torpedo Defense System. According to the defense sources, the Indian Navy has inducted an advanced anti-torpedo decoy system called Marich that is capable of being fired from all frontline ships. This advanced torpedo defense system has been designed and developed indigenously by two defense laboratories of Defense Research and Development Organization, which is also known as DRDO. The defense laboratories of DRDO, which we are talking about here, are the Naval Physical and Oceanographic Laboratory of Kochi and the Naval Science and Technological Laboratory of Visakhapatnam. The Bharat Electronics Limited, which is a state-owned company under the Ministry of Defense, will undertake the production of this particular decoy system. This system is said to be capable of detecting, locating, and neutralizing the incoming torpedo. To be more precise, it is an anti-torpedo system with towed and expandable decoys, and the system is capable of detecting, confusing, diverting, and decoying the incoming torpedoes. Two production-grade Marich systems have been developed and user evaluation trials was completed on board two Indian Navy ships. The system also demonstrated the features as per the Naval Staff qualification requirements. Seeing all this performance, the Indian Navy has already placed orders for 3 torpedo defense systems that would be installed on ships at the Mazagon Dock Limited. So looks like the anti-submarine warfare capability of the Indian Navy has received a major boost with the conclusion of a contract for such advanced torpedo decoy system, which is called as Marich, and which is capable of being fired from all frontline warships. So this is indeed a very good boost for the Indian Navy, and during this time when we have certain border dispute with our neighboring country, China. So that was all about the new advanced torpedo defense system called Marich and the induction of the same by the Indian Navy. I'll upload another video with a new defense update. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.